In a vibrant meadow, a curious baby elephant named Ella and a playful little tiger cub named Tico became the best of friends. Together, they roamed under the golden sun, discovering butterflies, flowers, and sparkling streams. One day, they stumbled upon a hidden grove filled with the sweetest fruits. As they shared their delicious feast, their laughter echoed, drawing the attention of other animals nearby. Ella's gentle trumpeting and Tico's playful pounces created a symphony of joy. Through their delightful adventures, they taught everyone that true friendship knows no bounds, transcending their differences. Their story reminds us all of the beauty of sharing adventures with a dear friend.